Is your diesel engine throwing a P0672 code? We're going to fix it. The code P0672 means there's a malfunction in the glow plug circuit for cylinder 2. Glow plugs are crucial in diesel engines. They heat the combustion chamber for better starting, especially in cold weather. When one glow plug fails, like cylinder 2 in this case, it can lead to rough starts, hard cranking, white smoke, or poor cold weather performance. Now it's time to know causes and fixes. First, failed glow plug in cylinder 2. The glow plug may be burnt out or no longer heating properly. Glow plugs wear out over time, especially in colder climates or with frequent cold starts. Replace the faulty glow plug. It's often recommended to replace all glow plugs at once to maintain even performance. Second, damaged or corroded wiring. The wires delivering voltage to the glow plug may be frayed, broken, or corroded. Moisture, road salt, and age can cause this. Inspect the glow plug wiring harness for signs of damage or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged sections. Apply dielectric grease to connectors to prevent future corrosion. Third, faulty glow plug relay or control module. The glow plug control module or relay is responsible for delivering power to the glow plugs. If this unit fails, it may send incorrect voltage or none at all. Test the relay or module with a multimeter. Replace the glow plug relay or control module if found to be faulty. Fourth, bad connection at the glow plug harness. Poor electrical contact at the plug connection for cylinder 2 can prevent proper current flow. Disconnect the glow plug harness and inspect the terminals for corrosion, looseness, or poor contact. Clean or repair the connector as needed. P0672 indicates a glow plug issue in cylinder 2, often due to a bad plug, wiring, or control fault. Fixing the root cause ensures better cold starts and engine performance. Always clear the code and test after repairs. Thanks for watching.